Why on earth do you run toward it?
It's the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Don't even go outside.
Are you wondering why the house is full of water? These are the culprits. Well, boy has an adventure spirit. It's just a bit too much. If this happens daily, I personally feel bad for the owner. Oh, they have a gift for you. That's cute. When the guest comes, can't be an impolite host, isn't it?
Nope.
Don't underestimate these guys. They actually have a wonderful taste about food.
Get it up.
Bro really lets his intrusive thoughts come into action.
Bag of dog food. Dog food.
Even the worst detective will find out the culprit after seeing that goofy
You don't
face.
even know your eyes are closed.
Maggie, did you get into the dog food?
Practicing has to always come after learning theory. Surprisingly, that buddy hasn't gotten fat. Well, he will.
来，好，准备好，1、2、3，
In some aspects, its innocence is so precious.
过来，菠萝，菠萝，
转头，转头，转头，转头。
If you haven't had children, this is what siblings look like. Little boy truly knows how to break the ice. Though looking quite big, his soul is still a child.
Gentle. Yeah. Gentle. Good boy. Gentle. Thank you.
Oh, someone is about to have an important concert to attend, huh? It seems he wants to share water with its friend. Just their faces could make you laugh all day. If someone is sleeping, this is definitely not the best way to wake them up.
Oh my gosh.
Che acusticità, fa fresco, poi la sombra del freddo.
Corgi has invented a thing that's even better than catwalk. Release him, dude. He clearly wants to go full speed. Man, you must have let him watch too many horror movies. The winner has been decided in this fight. Dog has no chance. Little dog has such a pure soul. Its mind is totally into it. He should join a parkour contest with that amazing skill.
You won't like this, mate.
That's absolutely not the right way to play with it, puppy. Better hide your money now.
Quay ra rác thằng nào nó nhìn chứ. Đây. Nè.
What are you talking about? I did nothing. They're obviously trained to do this so many times. Laborious dog practices swimming even in his dream. Now that's a performance that takes pennies. What? Never seen a rich dog surfing before? Any doctor here? We need a diet menu.
Get down. Hello.
Hey, Millie. You're not a cat. You're not a cat.
I think she likes you, dude. Maybe. Never give up on your dream, even when people say it's impossible.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
The young always have so much energy.
Let's get this.
Oh, it's the end already. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next episode.